Hey guys, welcome back to another AI video. And today we're gonna talk about an amazing tool through which you can record your entire screen with just one simple click. So let's dive right in. The name of the tool is ActivePresenter, and I'll leave the link in the description. The best part about this tool is that it's completely free and there is no time limits and watermarks. So let's check it out. Click on the link in the description, and then from the home page, click on download. And depending on your OS, you have to select one and then click on download. Since I'm on Windows, I'll just click here and download it to your computer. After that, just run this setup and then go through the instructions and you'll install it in no time. I've already installed the software. I'll just open it from my computer. This is the app, so I'll just click on it and then open it. Alright, so not only you can record your screen from this tool, but there are other features as well. For today's video, I'll just focus on recording my screen. Go to your left and then click on record screen as video. Alright, so it's selected full screen by default. So as you can see the dots here, the entire screen is selected. You can click on these dots and then drag it if you want. And then you can just record this part. This is the audio option. Right now the voice is coming from the laptop, but I have a microphone connected to the audio interface. I can use that as well. After that, you have to select your audio output. I've selected this because this is my audio interface and my headphones are connected to that. Another cool feature they have is that they have integrated webcams. So for now, let's just record this part of the screen. In order to do that, all you have to do is just click on record. If you need to go to some advanced settings, just go to the top right and then click here. And then click on recording settings. Here you need to select your video codecs. You can select your frames per second, and for the quality, let's go with 100. After that, you have the audio settings. Leave the audio codec as 16-bit PCM, and for the sample rate, I'll just go with 44100. Alright, after that you have the cursor. You can select if you want to record your mouse cursor or not, and then there are some cursor effects. You can turn it on if you want, or if you want to just restore to defaults, you can do that. So for now, I'll just click on save. Increase the microphone volume from here. Alright, so let's say now I want the full screen back. So just click on it and the entire area will get selected. Now all you have to do is just click on record. Alright, so now my entire screen is recording. So whatever you open now, just go back to Chrome. And then you can go to any of your websites, or you can even record your Zoom calls. Alright, so in order to stop that, just go to the system tray. Click on this. And then here you can select the audio levels and the duration. You can pause the recording from here, play it back, and then to stop it, just click here. Alright, so the video has been automatically opened in the editor. And from here, just click on play and then you can watch it. Alright, so now my entire screen is recording. So whatever you open now, just go back to Chrome. Alright, so now you can save this project if you want. For that, just press Ctrl S and then give it a name. Or if you want to export it, you can do that by clicking it here. Head over to the left and then click on video. Select the video size, frame rates, select where you want to save the file, and then click on OK. Alright, so our export is done. Just click on open folder, and then from here you can see the video. Alright, so now my entire screen is recording. So whatever you open now, just go back to Chrome, and then you can go to any of your websites, or you can even record your Zoom calls. And then here you can select the audio levels and the duration. Alright, so there you have it folks. That's how you can record your screen with just one simple click. Alright, so do check out ActivePresenter because there is no time limit and there is no watermark. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.